Okay, guys, so we about to get into this rice water, see what it's all about, and if it's really worth the hype. First and foremost, I'm going to clean my rice before I put it in the jar, because I watch many rice water videos and the rice be dirty. We don't want none of that dirtiness in our hair. We can't do that. It definitely will be easier if you use a mesh strainer, but this is all I have at school, so I just used this one and made it work. Okay, so after dropping a bunch of rice everywhere in my kitchen, I finally kind of got it by putting the jar in the bowl and pouring it with the measuring cup. It would have been great if I had a funnel, but I don't have a funnel at school, so I had to figure it out. So now we're gonna put the water inside the jar with the rice. I'm adding my wild growth and my peppermint oil because I've heard that rice water stinks. So I'm trying to do the best that I can with these essential oils, hair oils, whatever, to make it smell a little bit better. So, I finished making the rice water. I cleaned and swept the floor because you saw how I spilled all of it. Here I go trying to heat up the rest of my Chinese food. I can't do nothing. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hello. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just finished washing my hair. I literally just did my very first pre-poo with coconut oil and olive oil. It has my hair feeling really nice. This is just my hair just washed with my shampoo. I didn't put anything in it, nothing. So here is the coconut oil that I made the other day. It hasn't been a full 48 hours. I smelt it yesterday. It smelled just like rice and water. It didn't smell like caca. I noticed when I made it, I put way too much rice. So later in the day, I just came back and just took some rice out of it. So I'm about to put this into my spray bottle now. Finish parting up my hair, and then we go, ooh, there's water. And then we're gonna get going. I have a sensitive smell to things that are funk booty. And when I tell y'all, I'm still so happy that this doesn't stink because I was smelling it while I was pouring it. I had to pour it in here off camera because as you saw while I was making it with the rice, I'm a klutz. And I didn't feel like spilling it all over the place, so I had to do it over the sink. But all right, now we finally about to get into it. It's about to be lit. I definitely think it's beneficial when you decide to part your hair while doing the rice water. I just put my hair into 4 sections. In each section, I probably split up twice within as I was doing the rice water. So I don't have anything to measure my hair, but this is just gonna be my hair shirt. Okay, so it's right here. That's not really helpful. So this is where it's at, kind of. Not even fully for real. You're gonna say it's a little bit, it's on. So now we're just gonna speed it up a little bit. As I spray the rice water in, I just decide to twist my hair up. I just feel like it allows it to sit more better. I have low porosity hair, so the water just likes to drip down the side of my face and onto my shoulders. So what's up with rice water? What's so good about it? Why are people doing it and applying it to their hair? Rice water helps with shredding. It can make your hair stronger. It can help your hair grow, help define your curls, help when you're detangling your hair. So I just felt like I see all these little pros over here. So let me give it a try. Okay, so I see why people dip their hair in a bowl and stuff, and I'm drenched. Doing this gets everywhere. I'm gonna keep it in my hair for, what time is it? 15 minutes. I would do it longer, but I kinda am in a little bit of a hurry. I should have woke up earlier. It's my fault. Yeah. Go-to bag, shopping bag. Now you don't just need a bag product. So my hair was in braids for a little bit less than a month. So this is the shedding from when I started doing the rice water after I washed my hair. We'll see what it looks like when I detangle it. I know when your hair is in a protective hairstyle, it sheds a lot more. So we're not gonna be able to really see. We might, but I don't know how much we'll really be able to see if the rice water is helping with the shredding side, but I'm gonna do this more than once. I think I'm gonna do it twice a week. This is just my part one. I think I'm gonna do it twice a week and then show you guys like later the results. I'm going to measure my hair later. I'm gonna find somebody with one, or I'm gonna go to the bookstore and get a little measuring tape thing because I need to see. We need to see. We gotta know. So I'm gonna keep this in for like 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna condition my hair, detangle it, and go about my day.
2 hours later.
So guys, let me introduce you to the girl that chopped my hair off. Kiani. We're gonna be doing some hair videos together. We're gonna be trying to make some videos together. We're gonna be doing stuff together.
Facts. Yes. What's this hair look good?
I went to do a very long deep condition. I went outside with my hair very wet. I'm gonna get sick. Vitamin C. I'm about to take it right now because I feel it dripping down to my nose. So I'm about to detangle my hair now. It still has a conditioner in it, but I'm gonna put some water in it, detangle it, and then I'm gonna wash it out. With the rice water, I didn't really, when it got on my face, it started irritating my skin. I feel like my face is kind of really dry right here. I did not like that. I'm not sure if it was the rice water itself or it was the stuff that I put in, the peppermint oil and the wild growth. I don't think so because I've used those oils many times before and they never bothered me like that. So that's one con I have so far with the rice water. After the fact, I kind of noticed that the rice water makes your hair a little dry and you really need to grease it, your scalp, your hair, because you don't want it to break apart. You don't want it to have a negative effect after. So make sure you really keep your hair greased up. This is the amount of hair. Let me take it off. The amount of hair that I lost with one side of my head while detangling. Last but not least, Don't it feel good when you get to the last piece of hair that you gotta detangle? Cause it feels good for me. My arms hurt. Ooh. And I don't need to let this sit anymore because I already have, so I'm gonna wash it out. We'll see how it looks. It's feeling really nice and soft. And then, boom. I haven't measured the front of my hair in mad long. Is this? Yeah. I think going natural is probably one of the smartest hair decisions I've ever made. I'm not even gonna lie. The hair from the left side of my head, it's a little bit less than this is from the right side of my head. Put it together. This is all of it. I think this is a reasonable amount, being that it was braided up in a protective hairstyle. So, about to wash it out now. Let's see how voluptuous, beautiful, luscious it's looking. Give me another characteristic trait. Voluptuous.
Are you
Fabulous.
making a word?
Mm-hmm.
Fabulous. You
Fabulous.
know, beautiful, elegant, vivacious.
Ooh. Vibrate.
Vivacious, not vibration. Vivacious.
Vivacious. What that mean? Vivacious. Attractively, lively, and animated.
Yes, that's what you get with me, honey. Yes. Yes.
That's the word of the day. Everybody, the word of the day.
Vivacious.
Ooh. Alright guys, so this is how my hair is looking after pre-pooing, which I'm gonna insert a link below so you can see that video. Pre-pooing, you know, doing the regular wash, adding the rice water and conditioner. And I did use different conditioner this time. I'm about to show you guys right now. So I used this Miss Jessie's, let me not show my dusty nails, conditioner. It smells mad good. The hair feels really soft. It doesn't really feel dry. I'm gonna add my argan oil hair food and my peppermint oil into my hair to give it a little bit extra moisture so it's not dry. My friend reinformed me that the reason why we use the shirt is so our hair don't break off using a towel trying to dry it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, like, subscribe. I mean, you should be subscribed already. Like, what's going on? What's the hold up? I hope you enjoy. There'll be more videos soon to come. Thanks for watching and have a blessed